Good evening. Today we see next example. Example number 4. Let x follows binomial distribution NP. First, if n equal to 10, e of x equal to 5, find p and variance of x. See over here, given n equal to 10, e of x equal to 5. We know e of x equal to np. Step first, use formula. Step second, put the value of e of x and n. That is p 10 into p equal to 5, p equal to 5 by 10, p equal to half. Number 2 for variance of x, q equal to 1 minus half equal to half, variance of x equal to npq, that is 10 into half equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. That is variance of x equal to 2.5. Using formula for e of x and variance of x. Example number 2. Given that e of x equal to 5, variance of x equal to 2.5, e of x equal to 5, that is np equal to 5, variance of x equal to npq, therefore npq equal to variance of x 2.5 given. Equation 1, equation 2, put np equal to 5 into, that is 5 into q equal to 2.5, q equal to half, q equal to half, that is therefore p equal to 1 minus q, that is equal to half, np equal to 5 by 1, that is n into half equal to 5, n equal to 10 is the answer of given question. See and write in your notebook. Now example number 3 for homework. If e of x equal to 7, variance of x equal to 4.9, find n and p. Write in your notebook. That is variance of x and e of x for homework. Example number 3. That is, see over here and write in your notebook. Example number 4. See and write in your notebook. Step first, use formula for e of x, put value of n and e of x, find p, then find q, and third one, variance of x, that is now next question. Question number the probability that a bomb will hit. Example number 5. The probability that bomb will hit the target. Bomb will hit target. Bomb will hit target is 0.8. Is 0.8. Find the probability that. Find the probability that out of 5 bombs, 2, exactly 2 will miss the target. Exactly 2 will miss a target. Exactly 2 will miss a target. Now, given n equal to 5, p equal to 0.8, q equal to 1 minus p, q equal to 1 minus 0.8, q equal to 0.2, x equal to 2, p of x equal to x, n cx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. P of x equal to 2, 5c2, 0.8 raised to 2, 0.2 raised to 3, 0.8 raised to 2, 5cx. 2 bombs will be missing a target. 0.8 raised to 3, 5c2 missing a target, c3. Find the probability that is equal to 10, 0.5 into 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 0.512, 0.04, 10 into 0.512 into 0.04 is equal to 0.2084. Exactly 2 bombs miss and hit. Here, see the probability that bomb will hit a target. Hit a target is 0.8. Find the probability that out of 5 bombs, exactly 2 will miss a target. Here 5 shots are fired, therefore exactly 3 bombs will be hit target. P x equal to exactly 3 bombs hit a target. C. Note this step, that is exactly 2 will miss a target means out of 5 2 miss target, exactly 3 bombs will be hit. Therefore x equal to 3, and use formula, write in your notebook, that is example number 4, the bomb will hit target is 0.8. Find the probability that out of 5 bombs, exactly 2 will miss a target. C. 2 bombs miss a target. Therefore, out of 5, 2 bombs miss a target. Therefore, 3, exactly 3 bombs hit a target. Miss and hit. Note this step. Step first, use formula. P of x equal to x, ncx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. P of x equal to 2, P of x equal to 3. 5c3, 0.8 raised to 3 into 0.2 raised to 2. 5c3 means 5 into 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3. 3 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 2s are 10. 0.8 raised to 3, 0.512, 0.2 raised to 2, 0.04, and find the answer of the given question. Note, we have to find exactly 2 will miss a target. Probability given hit a target. Note this step. Note this step. Given probability hit a target is 0.8. We have to find miss a target. 2 जर मिस केले असतील तर 3 हिट होतात. त्यामुळं x ची व्हॅल्यू ही आपण 3 घेतलेली आहे. Note this step. And example number 6. C. इथं bombs exactly 2 will miss a target. 2 will miss a target. Therefore, (0.205) another method, that is P of x equal to method second. P of x equal to 2 will miss a target. Here x equal to 2, p equal to 0.2, q equal to 0.8. P of x equal to 2, n equal to 5, 5c2, 0.2 raised to 2, 0.8 raised to 3 is equal to 10 into 0.04 into 0.512 equal to 0.2054, 2084. 84. Multiply. Find multiplication and answer of the given question, that is 2084. See here, first method, exactly 3 bomb hit target, therefore P equal to 0.8. Here missing target is probability 0.2 and hitting 0.8. One and the same. Now write homework. Write homework for example number method 1, method 2. See difference between these two. Here probability will hit a target is 0.8, therefore probability miss is 0.2 and Q equal to 1 minus 0.2 and